Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to transfer crypto from Revolut to wallet. So guys, this will be a step-by-step guide, so just simply follow along. So first thing that you will do is open the Revolut application, and on the homepage, you should be able to see their crypto at the top. It will be on the fourth option. And now after selecting crypto, you should be able to see your crypto portfolio. And from there, just simply tap on the third option in the middle, send. So just simply tap on the send button. And after that, just simply select let's go and choose the cryptocurrency that you want to send. And once you have selected your cryptocurrency, just simply enter the wallet address. And guys, if you are sending a Bitcoin, use a Bitcoin address. And for Ethereum, just simply use an Ethereum address. Just simply paste it in and select it. And once you have done entering the address, just simply double check the address before proceeding. And guys, Revolut advises sending a small test amount first, which is I also recommend, so your money will not get lost on the wrong address. And once you have the right address, just simply tap on review transfer to double check all details, and once correct, just simply hit on send. And that's simply about it. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.